Welcome! Today we're exploring figurative language, painting with words. Get ready to discover how authors turn ordinary words into extraordinary stories. Figurative language uses words in creative ways that go beyond their exact definitions. It paints vivid pictures in our minds, making writing exciting, memorable, and fun. You'll find figurative language everywhere in books, songs, poems, movies, and even in everyday conversations. Simile. A simile compares two things using the words like or as. For example, her smile is like sunshine. Metaphor. A metaphor makes a direct comparison without using like or as. For example, her smile is sunshine. Personification. Personification gives human qualities to non-human things, like the wind whispered secrets. Hyperbole. Hyperbole uses extreme exaggeration, like, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Similes. Onomatopoeia. Words that imitate sounds like buzz, splash, pop, or meow. Idioms. Expressions that mean something different than their words suggest. For example, break a leg or piece of cake. Oxymoron. Combining opposite words for effect. Like jumbo shrimp, deafening silence, or pretty ugly. Here's how you can spot figurative language. Is it literal? If not, it's likely figurative. Look for comparisons using like or as. Notice when objects do human actions. That's personification. Watch for extreme statements. That's hyperbole. Start small by adding a simile or metaphor to your writing. Keep a notebook of great figurative language you find in books, songs, or movies. Challenge yourself to use a new type of figurative language every day. Soon, you'll be painting with words like a pro.